Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 drinks if you want younger looking skin. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Do you want to be healthy? Or are you looking for a beneficial drink that helps your body maintain health? Or something that makes your skin look younger? You are at the right place. This video is going to be sharing with you 5 wonderful recipes of juices that are beneficial for any part of your body, especially your skin. So, stick around to the end. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. These recipes are super easy and won't take your time more than 10 minutes. If you want to maintain your skin health and prevent aging signs on your skin, what would be better than to start off your day with hydrating, energetic juices that are full of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Experts highly recommend it to keep the body hydrated because it flushes away toxins and keeps your skin smooth, glowing, and youthful. You may think juicing often looks costly, time-consuming, and not always the most delicious. But that's not true. There are billions of juice recipes. You can select the proper one for you in any aspect. If you don't like their taste, you can add or remove ingredients to make it more delicious. As there are many different types of juices on the markets, you may be tempted to have them, but to be honest, most of them are just tricks. If you are serious about your health and want to drink something beneficial for your skin, it's time to do it yourself and make your juices yourself. Number 5. Lemon juice. Lemon water is one of the most famous drinks for improving skin health. This juice is a huge storage of antioxidants, vitamin C, and pectin fiber which can help you get rid of toxins. Other benefits you can gain from this drink are increased iron absorption, improved immune system, and reduced risks of cancers. You can add ginger to it if you like the taste of ginger. So, what you need for this fantastic juice is lemon, honey, and ginger. Mix all the ingredients, and if your lemons are too sour, you can add water to your juice. Have it in mind, if you have digestive system problems, do not drink it with an empty stomach because it will cause some trouble for you. Number 4. Ginger juice. Beet, carrots, green apple, ginger, and grapefruit are the 5 components of this juice. This juice is a wonderful skin health helper because of its high-quality properties. Ginger contains many vitamins, such as vitamin C and B, and minerals like iron, calcium, and phosphorus. This spice has an anti-inflammatory compound known as phenols which prevents aging. Ginger root is also high in antioxidants. As a result, all these substances made ginger a super nutritious food with numerous benefits for the body and especially for the skin. You need 1 beetroot, 3 carrots, 1 ginger, 2 green apples, 1 blood orange, and 1 grapefruit for this recipe. Mix all the ingredients together. You can also add black salt to your juice if you like its taste. Number 3. Green juice. This homemade green juice gives you glowing skin. It provides you with a healthier body and a more powerful immune system. You need apples, celery, and kale leaves for this juice. If you are apprehensive about drinking celery, you can add more apples to your juice and decrease the amount of celery. While making it for the first time, you can slowly add veggies to the ingredients to see how much of them feels tasty to you. This juice helps your skin to be hydrated and youthful. Vitamin C, which increases the collagen production in the body, keeps your skin firm. Vitamin K helps you reduce your stress levels and has a positive effect on your skin and many parts of the body. And eventually, lots of water in this juice maintain your body hydrated, leading you to have less wrinkled skin. Blend all the ingredients together and keep in mind that don't store it in the fridge for days, it will lose its vitamins. Number 2. Strawberry juice. A combination of strawberries with many fruits gives you a delicious juice that most people like. You can use both fresh or frozen kiwis and strawberries for this recipe. Kiwi is high in vitamin E, an antioxidant property that helps the several parts of the body work properly. Vitamin E has many other benefits, such as benefits for the skin and hair. This juice is packed with vitamin C, E, A, and minerals such as iron and folate. The ingredients you need are 2 kiwis, 10 or more strawberries, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a half cup of orange juice. It is better to blend strawberries and lemon juice at first and then add sparkling water and kiwis. When you blend all these 3 completely, you should add kiwis and other ingredients. Kiwis are another source of vitamin C. You can also mix kiwis with strawberries. This smoothie is rich in vitamin C, K, D, zinc, calcium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, and vitamin B1, B6, B9, and B12. Number 1. Vitamin C Smoothie. This juice has several healthy ingredients, making it a great choice for boosting skin health. Banana, pineapple, kale, and peanut butter are what you need to make this recipe. It is high in protein. It will keep you full and prevent you from having junk foods. Even if you do not like the taste of kale, this smoothie will change your mind. For making this smoothie, you should start with kales. Chunk their leaves, add 1 or 2 cups of banana and 1 orange, and add 2 handfuls of kales. Try frozen bananas and add at least 2 bananas to cover the kale's taste as well as to give your smoothie a creamy tissue. And this is the time to add the last and most important ingredient, pineapple. Pineapple is high in vitamin C, and you will get your daily need for vitamin C with this juice. If you want to, you can add lemon juice to it. Mix all the ingredients and serve them for yourself. Do you know any more recipes? Feel free to share your ideas and favorite recipes with us in the comment section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.